Hey guys, today we have Manaswani Dust. So she is a fresher in Spring Boot and Java domain. So those who are interested to give same mock interview, please fill out the form below. So hey, hi Manaswani, how are you?
Yeah, hi. Hello. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for
Shall we start?
what? Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. This is Manashini. Basically, I am from Odisha, and coming to my qualification background, so I had done PhD with computer science honors, and also 6 months before I had done with Java course in Bangalore. So
Mhm.
I'm a fresher. So in my apart from this, I had some use project Delta Airline reservation system, and in that project I have mentioned some technologies such as Spring Core, Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, all this
Mhm.
MySQL. Okay, so in that project also I use some module recovery password, login, logout features, each and everything. So that's all about myself. Thank you.
Okay. So which Java version you have used in your project?
1.8.
1.8. Okay. So and how did you implement that recovery password through mobile OTP or Gmail link,
Yeah, email, Gmail.
email link. Okay. So can you tell me some main features of Java?
Sorry, what?
Can you please tell me some main features of Java?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There are lots of features in Java. First one is
Okay.
object-oriented programming, and
Mhm.
second one is portable,
Mhm.
and it also hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, and portable, and another one is multi-threading also,
Hmm.
and also multi-threading also, and multitasking also. So
Okay.
these are like basic features of Java.
Okay. So Java is platform independent as well, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So how does Java achieve platform independence?
yeah. Basically, Java is platform independent because not 100% platform means platform independence because it is primitive data type like such as
No, 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 no.
means
I'm not asking about object oriented. So I'm not asking why Java is not 100% object
you
oriented
can use
programming language.
anywhere such as Linux, okay, and also means Android any kind means you can use anywhere. So it is platform independent.
Okay. My question is like, how does Java achieve platform independence? I mean, there is a way, right? That's why
Yeah.
Java is a platform independent, but the same thing is not there in C and C++. So how Java is platform independent? I mean, how it's achieved?
First one is Java is like a portable and also you compare to you compare to C++ and Java. Okay, so Java is first of all object oriented. Okay, also
Yeah.
C++ also Java means it is a object oriented. Okay, no doubt, but it is like Java is means you can use anywhere like such as
Okay. So the
Linux.
correct answer is Java achieved platform independence through its bytecode and JVM. You remember bytecode? So Java code is compiled into the bytecode when we run Java code. So it's get compiled into the bytecode, which further can be executed on any device that has JVM. So JVM execute that bytecode, and this way Java achieves platform independence. But JVM can differ from device to device. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So can you explain? Do you know about JVM?
Sorry.
Java Virtual Machine. Do you know about JVM?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, can you please tell me?
Yeah, it stands for Java Virtual Machine.
Mm-hmm.
It is you can use education times, like for example, you you retain any codes. Okay, in that time you can implement your codes and education your program. So you use JVM.
Okay. So do you know about JDK, JRE, JVM? Uh,
Yes.
JDK, JRE. Can you tell me the difference between
Yes.
these?
Okay. First I'm talking about JDK. It
Okay.
stands for Java Development Kit. Okay. It develop your Java application and such as how to debugging and also create application properties or
Mm-hmm.
application any mobile applications as any kind of Java application. And
Mm-hmm.
if I'm talking about JRE, JRE
Mm-hmm.
stands for Java Runtime Environment. It is used for uh, it is used for only just create environment
Mm-hmm.
your runtime environment. Okay, you just implement your codes and any kind of. And also
Mm-hmm.
JVM, it stands for Java Virtual Machine, and it is
Okay.
used yeah, education part.
Okay. Okay. So how do you create an object in Java?
First you can use new operator actually for
Mm-hmm.
create object.
Okay.
Yeah, and also if you create one more object, so you can also use string pool.
Okay. So do we have only one way, or I mean, we have multiple ways to create object?
And also using clone, and also using
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
deserialization to create object.
Okay. Okay. So what's the relation between class and object? You know?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So class is basically it is blueprint of object. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So and also object is you can see anywhere in your environment. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's state and behavior. It is known as object.
Okay.
So yeah, and class is a real time entity.
Okay. Can a class in Java be without any methods or fields? I mean, can we create any class that doesn't have any methods and fields?
Yes, you can, yeah, without using also main method you can create by using static.
Okay. So you mean without main method, we can create class.
You
Okay.
also, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So how does protected access modifier work?
Sorry, one second.
Protected access modifier work. Do you know
It
about?
protect,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Protected.
It is one of the access modifier, or else you can say that a specific modifier. Okay, and protect is one create one package.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So what is method overloading?
Yes. Method overloading is a same class but different parameter and number of argument. It is known as overload method overloading. Same but
Okay.
different parameter or different number of arguments. Then that is known as method overloading.
Okay. So can we overload constructor? I mean, can constructor be overloaded in Java?
Constructor yes, you overload.
Okay. Okay. So do you know about polymorphism?
Yes, I know.
So how is polymorphism achieved at runtime?
Yes. Polymorphism, you can achieve um, polymorphism you can achieve it is two types of polymorphism.
Mm-hmm.
One is polymorphism, and another one is runtime polymorphism. Okay,
Okay.
polymorphism, it means you can use only just compile time. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and also runtime polymorphism, you can achieve time polymorphism. Also, you can say that compile it static polymorphism, and also another one is dynamic polymorphism.
Okay. So basically, polymorphism we can achieve through dynamic method dispatch. So have you heard about dynamic method dispatch?
uh,
Where the method to be executed is determined at runtime based on the object's actual type. So let's allow for behavior specific, something like that.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So what are the interfaces in Java and how they are different from abstract classes?
uh, Interface means interface means it is totally one abstract class. Okay,
Mhm.
but in abstract class, it is like both, like in complete method and complete method, or else you can say that included abstract or non-abstract method. Okay,
Mhm.
and interface is it doesn't support multiple inheritance, but in abstract it's support multiple inheritance. And
Mhm.
also, third point is interface, it is by default create a static final. Okay, but in abstract it method create method by default starting and final.
Mhm. Okay. Can an interface in Java contains a constructor?
Sorry.
Uh, I mean, can an interface in Java contain a constructor?
uh
I mean, do interfaces contains constructor?
Actually, I didn't get your point. One second. Repeat.
Okay, so let's say we have a interface class. Okay, so
Yeah.
can that interface class contains the constructor?
Yes.
Okay, so actually, the answer is no, because the interfaces cannot be instantiated on their own. So, but constructors are meant for creating object instances, so which is not applicable for interfaces. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So, multiple interface inheritance are possible or not in Java?
Which type of interface, right?
Multiple inheritance. I'm asking inheritance, multiple inheritance.
Multiple inheritance doesn't support in interface.
So why it's not supporting Java?
Because suppose you have two or two classes. Okay, in that
Mhm.
classes you have implement same method, but what like you don't know which method are calling. Okay, so there are it's happened to diamond problem actually. So that's the reason multiple inheritance doesn't support in Java.
So we cannot solve this
Sorry.
diamond problem. We cannot solve this diamond problem, or we can solve. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So like I'm asking, like, can we solve this problem? Like you
No,
said.
due to means diamond problem, so multiple inheritance doesn't support in
Yeah,
Java.
yeah, I understood. So you said it's not possible because otherwise
Yeah.
diamond problem will be created. So I'm just asking, can we do we have any solution for this problem, for this diamond problem in Java or no?
No.
Okay, so I think interfaces are the solution for this problem. Okay, so how can you implement multiple interfaces in a single class? Hmm? Okay, so do you know about default methods in interfaces?
Yes, default method.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Default, it is one type of it is a access modifier,
Mm-hmm.
and default only just inside the package, not outside the package.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and what are exception handlings in Java?
Exceptional handling, it is two types of one is checked or unchecked.
Okay, so what are checked and unchecked?
Checked means exception handling, it is occur only compile time, and also unchecked exception, it is occur run time exception, and compile time exception, it occur means to there are some exception such as arithmetic exception, and another one is
Okay,
sorry,
you said arithmetic, right? Arithmetic exception.
yeah.
Okay, how does the finally block comes into the picture in the exception handling? Do you know?
Sorry.
Finally block. Do you know about finally block?
Yes.
So what's this?
Finally, block. It means if you want to create any if you want to create any modifier, or if you create any change to that code, okay, you cannot change because it's final, it's
Mm-hmm.
fixed. You are not able to change any if you want to modify, if you want to change anything. So it's fixed and permanent.
Okay. So can we
Uh,
create our own custom exception?
Sorry, what?
Can we create our own custom exception? So is my voice clear? Is it loud? I mean, my
Actually,
speech is
sometimes
slow.
actually your voice is very slow, and sometimes your voice is very loud, so I can't listen properly.
Oh, okay. Don't know. I mean, I'm asking, can we create custom exception?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So do you know how can we create?
By sorry, actually, I didn't get mine right now.
Okay.
I
Okay.
didn't recognize
No
that.
worries. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. So what are collections in Java?
Yeah. So basically, collection is a group of object. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
A collection is a heterogeneous in nature. Heterogeneous means dissimilar data type. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I can use any data type such as there is no any restriction if you want to create only similar data type. Also, you can use dissimilar data type.
Okay.
So that is as a collection.
Okay. Okay. So how do you choose between a list and set? When you code,
List.
how do you choose between a list and set?
Yeah. So a list set is only just it contain key and um, key and pair value. But in list, it create
So that's a map. You said key and value pair, so that's a map.
sorry.
You said set contains a key and value pair. So like I'm
Yes.
saying that's a map
And
collection.
yeah, and it doesn't support duplicate element also.
Yeah, okay. So basically there is a difference between set and map also. So set doesn't contain key and value pair. So it has only one values, sequential values like list and array. Map has key
Yes.
and value pair. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, so yeah, list when we don't need duplicate elements, so we choose set, otherwise list. And when we need to find something, set is also beneficial. Okay, no worries. So can you please tell me the difference between array list and linked list?
Yes, array list inserting order. It contain inserting order, but in linked list, no, it doesn't support. And array list you can create duplicate element, but
Mm-hmm.
in but array list also create duplicate element. And also
Okay,
array list is fixed in index size, starts from 0 to 10, but in linked list it uh, it just it
okay. So uh, can you please tell me the life cycle of thread? Hello,
yes.
life cycle of thread. Do you know?
Yes, I know actually, but not right now.
Okay, okay.
uh,
No worries. Yeah, so basically, there are few several states in life cycle of thread. First is new, second is runnable, third is running, fourth is blocked or waiting, and fifth is terminated. Okay. Okay. So now moving to the next question. Uh, have you used this keyword, THIS, this keyword?
yes.
Okay, so what's the use of this keyword?
Um, this keyword is this keyword is reference variable. Okay, and this keyword is store the address memory, and this keyword use for constructor purpose
Mm-hmm.
to call the methods, and automatically this keyword using constructor it automatic to call the methods. So
Okay,
it is and this keyword is uh, reference to other method.
okay. So uh, can this keyword be assigned a new value in Java? I mean, can we assign a new value by using this keyword?
Yes,
How?
using
So actually, it's a
break.
read-only reference, so that always points to the current object. So we cannot assign a new value by using this keyword. Uh, no worries. So can you tell me the difference between this and super keyword in Java?
Yes, super keyword in Java, it is current object included, and also this keyword is a reference variable, like it store
Okay.
the address memory,
Mm-hmm.
and also super to inject to create uh, like uh,
Mm-hmm.
means to create by using super keyword to create to call the constructor method.
Okay.
And
Okay. So, do you know about sorting algorithms?
no, I don't know actually.
Okay. 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 So, moving to the next question. Mm, mm, mm. So, what's the difference between string and string builder? Do you know?
Yes. A string and string builder, right?
Yes.
String is immutable in Java, but
Mm-hmm.
in string builder it is immutable in Java. And string is if suppose you cannot change, or if you want to create to modify anything, okay, but
Mm-hmm.
you can't possible to modify or change. But in
Okay.
string builder you can change. Okay, and also string builder is not thread safe.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So, so you said string is immutable, right?
yeah.
So, is there any benefit of being immutable?
uh, a benefit it's fixed in size. If you want to change second time, so it cannot change or modify in that. So
Okay. So, do you know about string pool?
yes, I know.
Can you tell me?
Yeah, like string pool is it included in thread concept. Means one thread to multiple thread like it a number of thread. So it is known as if you it is known as thread pool and
Mhm. Okay. So, basically, string pool is kind of a memory where the string values get stored. So whenever we try to change a string value or create a new value, so it gets stored there. I think it's in heap, not 100% sure,
yes,
but it resides inside the heap. Okay. So do you know about heap memory and stack memory?
sorry.
Heap memory and stack memory. Do you know about
Yes,
them?
I know.
Can you please tell me?
Yes, heap memory and stack memory. There are two types of memory. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and in heap memory, you can use for garbage collection,
Mm-hmm.
and memory to store the memory and it heap memory to create unwanted or unused object to
Mm-hmm.
to create and only just showing the necessary part
Okay.
and
Okay. Yeah. So, Manas, when it's done from my side. Hello.
yeah, hello.
Yeah, yeah. So it's done from my side. I have asked all the questions, whatever I wanted to ask.
Yeah.
And yeah, so do you have any question for me?
Yeah, I have one question.
Yeah.
I'm a yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
So I'm a fresher. So means I know my what's my feedback is do
Yeah,
right.
so what I feel is basic concepts, okay? Like the direct questions, if I ask what is class, what is this, okay? But whenever I ask something tricky or something more than basics, right? So you are lacking.
Okay.
This is what I feel. Okay, so if your goal is to prepare for jobs, so I'm guessing you are preparing for jobs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if your goal is to prepare for job, talking about MNCs, they actually don't focus on projects too much. They'll ask you some questions, core questions on Java. They might ask some tricky questions as well. They might ask questions on database, etc., right? Some core
Okay.
subjects. They don't focus on projects too much. Okay, so I
Okay.
think for those companies, you need to practice more. Okay, learn
Okay.
more. Okay, and for the startup companies or small companies, they don't focus on these core concepts. They just see what you have built on the web technology sites. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, so
But
they
how can I improve my skills and it's it's enough to know that or I have to prepare more and more.
you have to prepare more. That's why. genuine feedback. I
Okay.
think, yeah, if let's say 100% is required for in order to crack company, so you are at 60, 70%. So you